Hi guys, and welcome back to JavaScript Playground. In the previous video, we explored JavaScript string functions and tried some examples to understand them better. If you haven't watched the video, check it out. I'll add the link in the description below. In today's video, we will learn about two more values, null and undefined. So let's write some code. Let's create a new pen. Let's just change the view. Okay, so today's video is about the JavaScript null and undefined. Alright, let's just expand this a bit and bring up the JS part and also. Alright, so console.clear, just so that every time the script is run, it clears the history of the console. Alright, so in this video, we will see the difference between null and undefined. We will also learn when will a variable hold undefined or null value. So, before we begin, let's understand what these values are, null and undefined. So, undefined means a variable has been declared but has not been initialized, or in other words, not yet been assigned a value. Whereas, null is a value assigned to a variable, maybe just to represent that the variable holds no value. Let's try some example to understand this better. Alright, so let's create a new variable, so myvar. Let's print this. So console log and myvar. So as you can see, it gives me undefined, which tells me that there is no value in my variable mvar. Alright, now let's assign a value of null to this. And let's print it again. So console log mvar. Now as you can see, it gives us the value null. So null is a value which is stored in this variable. So if you see here, so here mvar holds no value, and here mvar holds the value null. And null represents that there is no value. Alright guys, that's a wrap for today. And just to summarize, undefined means a variable has been declared but has not been initialized. And null is a value assigned to a variable just to represent that the variable holds no value. I'll add the link for this code pen in the description below. I hope this gave you understanding of the difference between null and undefined. But if you have any doubts or queries, feel free to drop a comment below or reach out to me on Twitter. I'll add my Twitter handle in the description below. Bye and take care.